Today's word is academic. Academic can be used as a noun and as adjective. Let us see how we can use academic as noun. As you already know, noun is a name of person, place, animal, or thing. But there is much more than just person, place, animal, or thing. There are some different types of noun, such as proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, and there are some different types of adjective, such as descriptive adjective, quantitative, proper, demonstrative. So these are the types of noun and adjective that you have to learn by yourself. And I'm also thinking of making some small videos on these topics, such as noun, adjective, and verb. So those who are having problem with these topics, they can watch these videos, and then so that they can have a better understanding. So so coming back to our topic, that is how we can use academic as noun. Here we are talking about a person who is going to college, or a teacher who is teaching at some college or university. Okay, a student or teacher at a college or university. Next, a person who is academic in background, attitudes, method, etc. So we can also use academic uh, with that person who is having academic background, such as he has done some graduation, some post graduation, who is having academic attitude. That means if we ask something to that person, he thinks and he just gives some sensible solution to that particular problem. If we had asked him, his methods are academic. Okay, so we can use academic with those situations, such as he was by temperament an academic, concerned with books and arts. So here we are talking about a person who is concerned with book and arts. Okay. Okay, now let us move on to our next thing, that is how we can use academic as adjective. As you know, adjective are the words that describes a noun. Okay, so let us see. Of or relating to a college, academy, school, or other educational institution. So we are talking about something, or we are talking about some person that is related to a college, academy, school, or something. Okay, or one of the or something. Sometimes we especially refer academic when we are talking about higher education. When we are talking about higher education, such as this example, academic requirements. So normally when you are applying for a particular post, so that particular post have some academic requirement. Suppose if you are applying for a teacher post, if you are applying for teacher post, so that teacher should have masters plus B.Ed. Okay, if you are applying for an engineering post, and suppose the field is software engineering, so you must have B.Tech with CS. Okay, so these are the academic requirements you must have so that you can sit in that particular interview. Okay, next, pertaining to areas of study that are not primarily vocational or applied, such as humanities or pure mathematics. So normally we can use this word academic when we are talking about some subjects or something that is not dealing with practicality, or that is not dealing with practicals. Okay, such as humanities or pure mathematics. Okay, next, theoretical or hypothetical, not practical, realistic, or directly useful. So we can also use academic in case of adjective where we are talking about some subjects or something that is not practical or not realistic, or we can't use those theories in our daily life. Okay, so that are not directly useful. Okay, such as the debate has been largely academic. Debate has been largely academic means that in that debate most of the things are just theoretical and hypothetical, and we can't use those things in our daily life directly. Okay, next, learned or scholarly but lacking in worldliness, common sense, or practicality. So we can also use academic when we are talking about something that I have already told you that is not practical, not practical. Okay, okay. Now let us see some of the synonyms and antonyms of this particular word, academic. These are collegiate, intellectual, scholarly, scholastic. Some of the antonyms are ignorant, ordinary, plain, practical, simple, untaught. Okay, so that's it for today, and I would like you to write a sentence using this word and post it in the comments below. Thank you.